Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add black overlay in Instagram Edits app. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your camera application into your device. And now from here, just simply take a photo with a black one. So from here, I'm going to take a photo and now I will have a black overlay. So once you have done that, you could just simply open the Edit Apps application and select Join Edits down below and select the plus icon over here on the bottom right and create a new project. Now from here, just simply select one video from your gallery. So let's say I will have this one for example and select the check on the top right. So guys, this is just an example. So pretty much this will vary based on your output. So from here, guys, as you can see, we have our sample video over here. So if I want to add a black overlay, you could just simply go at the bottom and you will have the overlay icon over here. So select overlay and now just simply select the photo that we had on earlier and just simply select the check on the top right. And now you will have this black photo. And now from here, as you can see, you could black out any photo over here, or if you want to blur out anything, you will have here an example. And now from here, of course, you could adjust it and make it bigger based on your preferences. And once you are done, as you can see, we will have the overlay over here. So let's say I'm going to adjust it from all of our video. If I want to do it on the other side as well, I could just simply go ahead and add another overlay and select the photo that we have taken. And I'm going to put it on the other side. As you can see, we have the overlay over here. And from here, you will have a black overlay for your video. So pretty much you could use this overlay feature that the application have. And guys, on what I did, this is just an example. So just be creative on your own. And I just showed you how to do this. And once you are done, just simply select export on the top right corner and it will be exported. And from there, you could share it to your Facebook or Instagram. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.